Yo, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back, guys, to brand new video of Marvel Spider-Man on Dr. Savage channel. We back at it. I know the last episode was the end. We are supposed to finish Marvel Spider-Man in the last episode, but we didn't. As I said, streams will happen. I don't know when exactly, but I will stream the entire game, finishing all these side quests and completing 100% of the game. But in the meantime, guys, we will first finish the heist, Turf Wars, and Silver Lining. I'm not sure because she's kind of cop. I don't know. But let's go to the heist. Let's see the first DLC that we have here after the main story is finished with Black Cat, and let's see what she has.
Associate editor. Begin research notes. My sources are saying the Magia is mounting a comeback. The old crime families were all but wiped out until Fisk went away and they started filling the void. The old Dons were working harmoniously for years, but now that there's a power vacuum, there's bound to be a power struggle. It's only a matter of time before one of the families makes a move on the Better follow up with my sources in the force. Hopefully we can stop this crime comeback before it even starts.
Okay, well, what does that have to do with Black Cat? I get it, the families, but we need to defeat Black Cat.
Hey Pete, I'm working on a story you might be interested in.
The Oscorp expose?
New one. It's about the Magia crime families.
The mom? I thought they went out with swinging. Both times.
They were in decline, but with Fisk and the demons gone, La Cosa Nostra is making a comeback.
I love it when you talk dirty.
So you know the feds raided the Magia last
Why does she call him Tiger? He's a Spider-Man,
lost masterpiece painting called the Maria.
not a Tiger Man.
Now they're displaying it over at Manhattan Mocha.
And
Oh, we have a backpack. Ah, fuck it.
One of the families is planning to steal it back tonight.
sounds like there's more to it than just art appreciation. I'll swing by the museum.
Okay, let's go. So basically this DLC is about crimes and gangs and, well, all these families that are into drug dealing and robbing business, I guess. I'm not sure how that goes. But I'm still asking myself, where's Black Cat? Is she connected to those families? Maybe she isn't. I don't know how that goes.
Looks like your source was right. There's a small army of goons trying to break in. Stay on the line while I take a closer look.
Just be careful. If those guys are Magia, they play for keeps.
Hurry up, come on. Boss wants that painting. We should have been in and out by now. You want to
Hammerhead Thug. Ah.
Some people do anything to avoid paying full price admission.
Okay. That was nice.
These guys have to learn to appreciate art during business hours.
Huh.
Sleep it off.
Okay. Nice. Perfect. I mean, we kind of did this like 20 million times, so it's kind of the habit now. These days. He's still danger. Why though? He's safe.
You literally didn't see that coming.
Shut the fuck up. Well, probably. But you're stupid to see me, fucker. Nice.
Time for a little demonstration.
Oh, I have a picture here.
Subduing criminals.
Cool.
I know some of these guys. That's Federico Fratelli and Sal Petrillo.
Those guys are part of Hammerhead's crime family, right? Why would he want the Maria? Doesn't seem like his thing.
I'm gonna look around.
Cool.
Make sure no one got in a different way. I'll let you know if I find anything.
Oh.
Hey, what is that? Nope. No one. Wait.
Black Cat. Of course, that's why the DLC is about Black Cat.
MJ, someone cut a hole in a skylight. I'm gonna check it out.
Ah, that's what makes sense. I feel you now. Why is this all about Black Cat?
Hammerhead's guys were trying to break in the front. Someone else slipped in through the roof.
Looks that way. No sign of anyone. At all. Shouldn't there be guards here at night?
Yeah, maybe check the security booth near the entrance. There should be cameras there too. They would have seen whoever broke in.
There has to be somebody, right? Or is there?
The security booth's secure. Need a palm print to get in.
Any clue about what happened to the guards will be inside. Is there a way to override the lock?
Not without a guard's hand.
Actually, their handprint. If you can't find the guards, maybe you can lift prints from the things they touched.
Oh, yeah. Good idea.
Always happy to blend it.
Okay. If I were a handprint, where would I be? That might work. And I think 12 down should be karaoke, not kumquat. Weird. It's like the guards just vanished. Now, where can I find some more partial prints?
2.
Another one. Cool.
We need the last one. That is, I guess, here.
Leave their stuff around like this. Unless they didn't leave voluntarily.
Bomb. Bingo! We got all of them, but the question is,
Should have enough
where is Black Cat?
to construct a handprint.
Because she's here for sure. Like, that's 100% thing. Oh god.
I should be able to reconfigure the scanner so it takes my data.
Analyzed. Oh no, not this again. I need more voltage. No. Yep. Yep. Oh fuck. +5, which is gonna be now 7. And then we need -2, which is gonna be here. So this way, yeah, nice. This way. Oh fucking hell. Oh fucking hell. So I need to go around. Damn. How am I... It's only 2, so I need to add it. That's a thing. Maybe not this way, maybe this way. Then up there. Or can we do this one? Nice. Up there, up there, up there. Nice! I'm smart! Jesus! Oh my goodness!
Transmitting handprint now.
Whew, I just woke up, guys, so that's why I'm kind of tired, but you know what I'm saying. I'm still functioning. I can still functionate. Let's see what's in the guard room. Oh, we have no... Oh.
We're in.
Nice. What do you see?
They're alive. Looks like they were tranquilized. No signs of a struggle. Definitely not Hammerhead style.
So if not Hammerhead,
Alicia.
is there a camera feed?
Let me check. Someone switched off camera 5.
Well, that's suspicious.
Let me turn it back on and see what they didn't want anyone looking at. It's pointing at one of the paintings in the exhibit.
That has to be the Maria.
And no one's stolen it yet. I need to see this up close, figure out what's so special about it.
But maybe she gave a replica of a painting, right? Does it make sense?
Is a brilliant example of modern pastoral impressionism. The saga of its repeated theft and recovery are almost as intriguing as the artwork itself.
Looks like a pretty normal painting to me.
It is. There's way more valuable stuff in that museum. So why is the Magia so worked up about this painting?
Hang on, MJ. Someone's coming.
Oh god. Oh, really? But where's Black Cat? Why is she important here?
Keep an eye out. Spider-Man could still be here.
Damn it. Got it locked behind security glass. Hey, tell Frank we're gonna need to break out the big guns.
The big guns? Well,
MJ, Hammerhead's guys called in reinforcements. They haven't spotted me yet.
Good. Try to keep it that way.
whoop, nice. This would be a good time. Nice. Ooh.
Cops will be here any minute. The hell with this. Grab what you can and run.
Fuck.
Great. Now they're looting the other art. Gotta stop them before they make it out. There's only one way out of here. The way they came in. Next time, try the gift shop.
Nice. Nice. Fucker. You can't kill me, bro. What the fuck are you talking about? You crazy? Oh, we have a thief! Stuff there, fuck!
How about as a consolation prize, I send you a poster of that piece for your prison cell?
Look how many of them there is, and it's just like 2 cars, right? Which is basically supposed to be 8, not 20. No, he's gonna escape! No!
Can't let them escape. Kira,
Fucking hell.
classes in prison.
One more. 2 more. Fucker. We have 2 more. Fucking hell. Nice. Is that it? Please tell me that's it. No, there's more. 2 more. Nice. Nice. Last one. Nice. Is that it? What? Nice.
Peter, you there? You okay?
Yeah, I think I got them all. A lot of art to put back, though.
What about the Maria? This could have all been a distraction.
My thoughts exactly. I'll head back there. Hopefully the glass was thick enough. Security wall's intact and bulletproof. Nobody's getting near the Maria anytime soon.
Mission accomplished then.
I hope so.
Oh God.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to call you right back.
Why? What's going on?
You look good. Been working out?
Can we fight? I wanna kill you.
You know, a little.
So, you swinging solo now? You back with your ex?
It's a lot of questions.
I'm just curious.
Yeah, I hear that's bad for cats. Why don't you tell me why you're really here?
I was just waiting for the right moment. Look behind you.
Nice. Oh goodness, look how many of them there is. Well, this is gonna be a hell of a fight.
Who brings rockets to a museum?
Exactly. Can I just kill y'all, please? Is she just there staring and watching me? Really? She's a bitch. I'm just saying. Nice. That was sick. Oh, fucking hell. Nice. Oof! There's so many of them. Jesus. But this is Hammerhead plus Black Cat. I wanted to have some investigations and shit, not be there and she just staring at me while I fight. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of boring. No! Not you guys, not you guys. Oh, fucking hell. Oh! You're a bitch, you know that? Fucker. This is the last fucker, right? Yeah. I think so. Ah, there's this fucker too. Oh god, he shot me, nice. Oh! Nice. Perfect! Beautiful. Let's see what's up with the Black Cat. Hi.
I like your new tricks.
And I'm tired of your old ones. Weren't you gonna stop stealing art?
Who said I'm here for the art?
What are you doing?
Think you have lives to save.
Not again.
Hey! Help!
What the? Where'd she go?
Peter, is everything okay?
Sorry, MJ. I just ran into an old friend.
Who?
Trouble.
What? I'm confused. How much is the DLC completed? 4%! Oh Jesus, this is gonna be a long freaking story, guys. I'm just saying. I have a new suit. Oh. Oh, and this one. Oh, but I still don't have it unlocked. But I have this one, which is cool. Cool, kinda, I don't know. But this is the coolest Spider-Man. I'm just saying.
So Black Cat was the one who went in through the roof? She was working with Hammerhead?
Probably.
Yeah. She was probably watching me the whole time I was in there.
Tell me you didn't let her get away with the Maria.
She didn't.
Good.
She smashed it and stole a data drive hidden in the frame.
What?
Huh.
Sorry. So what do you think was on that drive?
Good question. I'll start asking around.
Then I guess I'll start following cat prints.
Okay.
All units, we have reports of an explosion in the vicinity of Times Square and Ryan.
Explosion. Better check it out.
Ah, Spidey, give me the DLC, give me the juice. I don't want this shit. I wanna have the juice with the Black Cat, bro. What the fuck? I wanna see what she's about and, well, I guess defeat her. And I'll be like, yeah, I have a crime here. Explosion happening, you know. New York PD, help it out. Spider-Man, come here. We need you. We are so dumb. We can't even shoot the criminals. I don't know what to do without you, Spider-Man. Shut the fuck up. You feel me? But hey, I'm still happy I'm playing Spider-Man. Spider-Man is far from over, guys. We have 3 DLCs. If I'm gonna fight this bitch in this DLC, oh my god, I can't wait, bro. I can't wait to fight her. She frustrated me entire story. She's like a bro. I'm on the same team. I want to help you, and you're trying to kill me. Fucking hell, fucking dick sucker. What is this?
Looks like another car bomb. Which family set it up this time? Hammerhead again?
Why is this connected to Hammerhead? This is Black Cat DLC. We have a Hammerhead DLC later.
Time to go small.
Oh, look at my spider ball. That's sick.
Okay, buddy, let's find the other explosives. Got one.
Oh. There's one.
Okay, still a few more out there.
There's one too.
Should look for the blinking lights. I've got it. Now for the last one.
It's somewhere here. Uh-huh. Nice! Amazing!
Hammerhead's on a mission. Better keep a lookout for
Yeah, but what I'm saying, the DLC is about Black Cat. It's the heist, not Turf Wars. Right? The City That Never Sleeps, episode 1, The Heist. When Felicia Hardy, aka Black Cat, returns to New York, Spider-Man's past makes trouble for Peter Parker present. The City Has Never Sleeps, episode 2, Turf Wars. As the gang war between Hammerhead and the Magia, I don't know how to spell this, heats up, Spider-Man... That's what I'm saying, the Hammerhead is the second one. And why is he giving me Hammerhead in this DLC? Because I'm in freaking Black Cat DLC.
Hello?
Spider-Man, this is Detective Magia. I got your number from a friend in the force.
I bet I know which friend. What can I do you for, detective?
Probably better if we spoke in person. Can you stop by the Greenwich precinct when you get a chance? I hear you like meeting on rooftops.
Sure thing. See you in a few. This'll keep me busy while I wait to hear from MJ.
I'm just still sad that Aunt May is dead. She died from the poison that Doc Ock produced. Well, he used it, but the doctor, I can't remember his name, but the other guy produced the Devil's Breath Osborn thing. But sure, you know, that's the only sad part in this story. I love that MJ and Peter are back together. That's pretty fucking cool. As you probably heard, MJ, I'm here, John Donald Jameson. Just the facts with J. Jonah Jameson. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Okay, cool. Where's the...
Detective Mackey, I presume?
No problem, always.
I want to talk to you about the Black Cat.
I plead the fifth.
Not the new cat. The old...
Where is he? I can't see him.
Black Cat is a copycat? Huh. What happened to the original?
He died in prison. But we never found all the paintings.
Oh.
I've got a new lead. The department doesn't want to waste resources on an old case.
Wasting resources is kind of my specialty.
Great. Head to this location. I'll fill you in on the way.
Thank you. Interesting. So, the Black Cat story is basically...
I appreciate your help. I'm retiring soon, and this case is my biggest loose end. So I went through the files to give it one last shot. The old cat preferred to steal art. But right before he got busted, he hit a smoke detector factory.
Smoke detectors? That's random.
Not really. He stole the Americium-241 inside him. We thought he had a buyer for the radioisotopes, but I was watching a movie the other night and saw something that gave me an idea. What if he tagged the paintings he stole with those isotopes in order to help him find them once he got out?
What movie were you watching? Wait, don't tell me. Spoilers.
So I was If we track the isotope, we can find the stolen paintings.
I have a scintillation counter in my suit that should do it. I'll call you if I find anything.
Thanks, Spider-Man. If I can close the books on this one, I can retire in peace.
So, is this detective telling me that the Black Cat is a ripoff of the original Black Cat that happened 20 years ago? The male Black Cat, or, well, whatever the fuck that is.
I think I'm close to one of those stolen paintings.
Oh, wait, what?
The signal's coming from this power box. I'm not detecting any electricity. Maybe it's a fake? Huh. An art storage tube. Detective, I found a stolen painting. It was hidden in a fake power box.
Yes, I knew it. Leave it there. I'll have someone pick it up. In the meantime,
Someone pick it up! Look where it is!
Sounds good. Wait, did you say Hardy?
yeah, the original cat's name was Walter Hardy. I'll pull his files and have more details next time we talk.
Walter Hardy, the original Black Cat. Felicia Hardy, the Black Cat that I know. This appears to be a family business.
Bro!
Peter, the police scanner just reported an active shootout around.
Is there a chance?
Is that area controlled by the Magia?
Yeah, whatever Black Cat stole, it might have just triggered a gang war.
Well, I'm on my way to check it out.
Is there a...
Any other updates on the museum heist?
So here's what I
Just
got.
let's...
Nobody knows what
I'll let the combo finish.
But word is, Hammerhead now has the drive, and the Magia families are freaked out about it.
Must have been pretty valuable if it made a notorious art thief ignore art.
Wonder why she's working for Hammerhead. She usually flies solo.
Who knows? I stopped trying to figure out Felicia a long time ago.
Felicia, huh? You guys on a first?
Oh.
Well, I mean, I guess, maybe.
Well, let's just keep each other in the loop, okay?
MJ is jealous! What the fuck? What I'm saying is, that original Black Cat could possibly be her father or her uncle over there because it's Hardy. It's the same surname, so could be her father. Possibly. Oof. Oh yeah.
I'm not being subtle. Time to shut this down before someone gets killed.
Okay, sure. Oh, fucking hell. Nice. This one, nice. Nice. Is that it? No. No, of course that's not it. Yeah, there's always more of them. There's gonna be like 20 of them. Oh, fucking hell. Not 20, but one big guy.
Oh boy. Gang's all
Oh, God. I need to defeat the mini. Oh, goodness. The minigun brutes, bro. Imagine how much health I would lose if I got hit by the minigun. A lot. A lot. Like a lot. Nice. Nice. Nice! The last one, yeah. Is that it? No, of course there's not.
Did I get everyone?
Yeah, okay. No.
All right, I give up. get time off if I talk.
You won't if you don't.
There's the white-haired chick. She told us to come down here and make some noise.
Sucker bait. And I'm the sucker. Where'd you meet her?
The bodega on Waverly.
Fucking bitch.
MJ, the whole shootout was a distraction. Black Cat set it up to draw police away from Waverly Street.
One of the other Magia families has a front on Waverly. The Ciceros, I think.
Maybe I can still catch her. Felicia takes her time. She's nothing if not methodical.
Is she now?
I'll keep you posted. Here's the bodega. All right, Felicia, where are you?
Yeah, of course. Again?
What were you looking at, Felicia?
These things really?
Gotcha.
Huh. I thought it's about the little. We had, I think it was the 6th episode where we had like little fluffy kitten things that we need to find.
Oh, hey, Spider.
Felicia, the Magia are no joke. You shouldn't be playing with them.
Oh, but I like to play.
Fucking bitch!
He's working with the cat. Get her!
I'm not working with a cat. I against the cat. Oh fucking hell!
You guys sure do jump to quick conclusions.
Oh, woo!
Hey, Spider! Come work for the Screwball family. We'll double Hammerhead's price.
I'm not working for Hammerhead or any other crime family. I'm just...
How many of them, bro? Nice. Oh fucking hell! So many of them, Jesus! Oof. Can you just die, please, please, please? Just die, just die. Still! Okay, thank God. Fucking hell. Focus bar full, just one bar. Oh, well, bar, yeah, true. That was tough. I gotta say that was really tough. Nice. Is that it?
Well, that was fun. Where's Felicia?
Probably here.
I like watching you. Reminds me of old times.
What's on that drive?
Not entirely sure, to be honest.
Then why are you stealing it?
If I don't, they'll kill my son.
She has a son?
Your son?
What?
Felicia has a son? Can't be. I mean, it could be, and I could be. No. Not. MJ, I found the cat, but she got away.
Really? How methodical of her.
She stole another data drive.
So each family has a drive. Wonder what's on them. Did you learn anything else?
Well, not much.
Okay. Sounds like she's helping Hammerhead make a power play on the other crime families.
Which could end badly for everyone.
The last thing the city needs is a gang war. I'll let you know if I turn up any info on those drives.
What do I have to do? Okay, shut down a new show.
What's up, SM? It's your #1 fan!
Wait a minute. Screwball? Don't tell me you're
Who's Screwball?
I sure am, and I brought some of my fans with me. Aren't they just the cutest? They're helping me set up for my new show. In fact, I'd love for you to swing by. TTYL.
Something tells me those guys weren't released for good behavior. Better get over there.
What is this? Screwball? Really?
One of the stolen paintings should be around here somewhere.
That's how it's called. Oh, we have something here.
Must be in here.
First of all, of my career, and of course,
Detective, I found another stolen painting.
Good work. We could close a whole bunch of files before we're done.
How'd Hardy die anyway?
Escape attempt from Rikers. He drowned trying to swim to shore.
Oh.
But now we can return what he stole. And who knows? Maybe this will help you bust the new Black Cat.
Right. Which is, of course, my goal. Gotta go. Bye.
Ah, a Screwball thing. What is Screwball? I never heard of that. What type of criminal is that? Oh god.
Time to put Screwball's fans back behind bars where they belong. Guys, this should be obvious.
No, I fucked it up.
Someone named Screwball was not the best idea.
Oh god, this is gonna be so tough now. Look how many of them there is. The best thing is the fight in air. I just realized that. Nice. Because that way I can just pull them up and they can do shit. That's so smart, Jesus. I didn't even think about it. Oh, fucking hell. Brute, what is that on his things? I think that's Shocker's equipment, if I'm not mistaken. Right? Is there more of them? No?
One thing hasn't changed. Screwball's getting others to do her dirty work. What are they setting up anyway?
Oops. What is this?
Perfect way to kick off my brand new show, starring you.
Sorry, my dance card's full.
Pretty sure you'll make time for this, because if you don't, my fans will get angry and people will die. I just love reality shows.
Oh goodness.
Some people do anything for clicks.
A fast super challenges, complete challenges earn tokens. Okay, sure. I don't have time to do it now. Fuck it. I'm bored. Do we have the main story? Wait. What? Was I able to enter? Oh no, I wasn't. I thought nothing. I thought I was able to. What the fuck do I have to do now? Give me the juice. 27%. Do I have to really do the Screwball thing? Please don't tell me I have to. Do I? I guess I do. Okay, sure. Sure, I will do it. Fucking bitch. Okay, let's do it. Sure. Oh, my head hurts.
Oh, and if you don't disable them in the right order, better hurry.
She's using a binary signal repeater. I can piggyback on it to visualize the right path.
Okay, sure. Okay. Oh, I have a time and all that shit.
I think my webs will disable them.
That's the same as Electra did, right? I think so. Get the most point out probably tying the photobomb and Screwball meter. Wait, what? I did press C, but nothing really happened. Maximize your bonus points by pressing E when Screwball. Oh god, I'm so bad. What is this? This is not Spider-Man, this is arcade game.
EMP down. Gotta stay on the trail.
For those watching, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Hey.
Buddy, my viewers expect better from you.
Oh god. Okay. Is that it?
Disabled. Gotta find the next one.
Oh god. Nice.
So close.
Well, cool.
TIL, you're not bad, but not great either.
Oh goodness.
Hey, Peter. I might have found Black
We have a break-in here. But guys, we'll do the break-in in the next episode. I thought my theory of this DLC things was...
If you find her, don't let her play you again.
Yeah, I'll be on guard. She's... I don't know. She just seems to bring bad luck wherever she goes.
Black Cat brings bad luck.
Okay guys, listen. 28% done. We will achieve... well... My... sorry guys, I'm tired. My point of view was let's do every episode 25%. So total we have 4 episodes per heist, which will result in 12 episodes total. I thought the Black Cat I could finish in 1 episode. I thought the DLC is gonna be really fucking, you know, easy and fast to do, but unfortunately it isn't. And I have a prediction on what the new suit could be. It could be the Screwball thing when we finish all of the Screwball's challenges. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching the episode. If you have enjoyed, hit that like and sub button. I don't know what to tell you guys. The main story is cool. We still have 27% to finish all the side missions and the collectibles, all that stuff, which will be a live stream. And then we have the heist, which will happen probably in the next couple of episodes. My plan is to do the heist, the Turf Wars, and the Silver Lining, and then to do the streams and the main story. But we will see about that. Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you have enjoyed, hit that like and sub button. See you guys in the next one, probably tomorrow. Love you all and have a nice evening, morning, or afternoon. Peace.